So I'm printing, I've printed 3 already of these little discs, which I'm going to use as feet to raise up the printer so I can get more air under it. It's so hot in the garage that I think the controller board under there needs that. Here's the external controller that I've added to the machine, and it's currently printing the 4th pad. Recently I added this tool holder, which I printed out on there, and I got rid of the spool holder that I'd printed out because I went on Amazon and got this with the ball bearing rollers for under 20 bucks. Anyway, it's working great now. Having fun. Retired and printing stuff out.